Assalamualaikum. Today, we will learn the present simple and present continuous tense. Please get your Form 3 textbook and turn to page 9. What is present simple? It is the most basic tense in English and uses the base form of a verb. So, how do we use the present simple? Match each sentence with one use of the present simple. Do it on your own and come back to check the answers. Number 1. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is a scientific fact. Number 2. His parents work at a bank. This shows a permanent situation. Number 3. We have a dance class next week. This is a future action based on timetables and schedules. Number 4. The English drink a lot of tea. This is a habit. So now you know that the present simple is used for scientific facts, permanent situations, future actions based on timetables and schedules, and habits and repeated actions. The present continuous tense is made from the present tense of be and the ing form of a verb. It depends on the subject. As an example for the verb work, I am working, he or she is working, we or they are working. Now, let's match these sentences with the correct use of the present continuous tense. Number 1. You are always interrupting me. Annoying habits. Number 2. What are you doing at the weekend? Future plans. Number 3. I am saving up for a car. Temporary situations. Number 4. The baby is crying. It must be hungry. Actions happening now. Number 5. Families are becoming smaller and smaller these days. Changing and developing situations in the present. So now we know that we use the present continuous for annoying habits, future plans, temporary situations, actions happening now, and changing and developing situations in the present. Can you identify the verbs in these sentences? Number 1, hates. 2, understands. 3, smell. 4, owns. These verbs are called stative verbs. They describe a state and they are not usually used in the present continuous form. Stative verbs often relate to thoughts and opinions, feelings and emotions, senses and perceptions, and possession and measurement. Some verbs can be both stative and action verbs, but with a different meaning. For number 1, they think means they have an opinion. Number 2, they are thinking means they are considering something. Now, please do task F on your own and then come back later to check the answers. Number 1, quiet William, why are you being so noisy this morning? Number 2, who's that? I don't remember her name. Number 3, Irene is living with her cousin for a few weeks. Number 4, Granddad isn't feeling well. He's seeing the doctor later today. Number 5, Tony looks like his grandfather. Number 6, Mom and Dad always take us with them on holidays. Number 7, Bob and Sue go to their Aunt Maisie's house every weekend. Number 8, why do you think children are jealous of each other?